The CM Connect was actually conceptualized at 3 levels. And the first level was the level where we started the call center, where people could call and give their grievances or collect information. And it is going well. We have received approximately 4,000 calls in the last few months. And close to about 500-600 have been complaints, and the rest have been calls for information. And good response is coming from the people, and I expect that it will improve as we go along. But apart from that, CM Connect from the initial stage itself was not just related or limited to a call center. The CM Connect is a much more broader program where apart from the call center, we will have other measures in which we will actually connect with the public, and hence CM himself will connect to the people, and that's where our public hearings will start. So very soon we will be going into the second phase, which was already planned part of the CM Connect, is the public hearings. So we will be having public hearings in the block level where officers and myself and other senior people will be present, and the public will get a chance to interact and ask questions and complaints, and we will try to resolve the issues. And this we will do it in a consistent basis in different blocks. The third part of the CM Connect program was the program where we would have a CM Connect office in different parts of the state, and these offices also will be put in the program. And infrastructures will be created. Again, it will be another way in which we'll connect to the people. And these offices also will be manned by individuals who will be able to support and help the people in case they want to file any complaint or register for any schemes or get any information regarding the different programs of government. So this was the review meeting today. And as I said, very soon we'll be rolling out the second phase and the third phase of the CM Connect.